Hello everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my boxycharm unboxing, and we'll just get right into this. And this month's boxycharm theme is dun 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 dun, Gold Digger. Super excited about this box. It's not gold, it's gold, and everything in the box is gold. How awesome is that? So I got variation number 3. And mine came with the Cover Fix glitter drops in Nova, and that retails for $44. I got the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, which retails for $24. I got the Luminous eye set, which retails for $21. I got the Jaune Bleu eyeliner, the Glitter Star eyeliner, and it retails for $5. And then I got the Lashaholic lashes and Instant Glam Flash eyelashes, and that retails for $14.99, so $15. And we'll just get right into the box and I'll start showing you everything. So the first thing was the glitter drops, and I actually mixed this in my foundation today. By the way, everything that's in the box I'm actually wearing on my face today. So just thought you'd like to know that. But yes, so I wore this the other day and I mixed it with my Sunset Glow Oil, and these two, this is great on its own, this is great on its own, but together it is literally a match made in heaven. It is so pretty. It is so stinking pretty. And I'm just going to show you real quick what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to put a little bit. A lot. So a little bit, and I'm over there like, I know it smells amazing, but come on, darling. But yes, I actually mixed these glitter drops in my foundation, and I did not like it. It was because the glitter in here is kind of chunky glitter, so it was too much. It was literally too much. But as you can see now, watch. Do you see how pretty that is? And it's like chunky glitter, but it looks really pretty on the skin, but not something that you would really like on your face. I did highlight with this as well today, and it wasn't bad. I still don't like really chunky glitter, so not really the best thing for me. And I don't think that you could actually put this on top of eyeshadows and stuff, because it is so oily. I don't think it would look great. I think it would just like break down your eyeshadow. Maybe if you just want a little glow, it's not like you're wanting to put on a lot of makeup and you just wanted to put this on your face just to give it a little extra something. Maybe that, but I mean, that's a lot of extra something. You look like a star or something. But yeah, it's pretty. I think it's better for the body though. Like, look how pretty. Now that's pretty. So the other day when I wore it, I had put it all over my chest and I was covered in glitter, and my 6-month-old got covered in glitter. Pretty. And it smells amazing thanks to this. But yeah, not bad, not bad. I've actually been wanting these for a while. And like I said, that retails for $44. Next thing that was in the box is this beautiful eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauty, and I'm wearing it on my lids today. Love the look it created, really fall. I went in with clove, poppy, cinnamon, myrtle, and primrose, and patchouli. Okay, now let me go ahead and swatch these because these are beautiful. Okay, so the first thing is this one right here. Wham. Do you see that? You can actually wear that as a highlight. And that is Jasmine. I'm reading these upside down. And this, do you see how pretty? That's a beautiful peach shade. And that is Clove. Mural. I love this shade. I'm actually wearing this on my lids today. How beautiful is that? That's what I have packed all over the lid. And then I went with Primrose on top of that. Let me clean off my hands, the baby wipe, or makeup remover. Cinnamon, beautiful brown. Patchouli. It's a beautiful peach color. I actually packed that on my lid as a base. This rose. Hello, beautiful rose color. Poppy, which I'm wearing on my outer corner. Look how beautiful that plum is. Okay, and prime rose, which is a beautiful gold, and that is actually what I packed in the center of my lid. So I went in with Neural, and then I packed this on top, which I have this whole look. I will be uploading it after this video. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, just hit the bell button and you'll be notified when I do upload that video. And yeah, it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Very, very pigmented. And watch how, like, these things are, like I said, very pigmented. I'm gonna show you how hard they are to get off. Do you see this? I mean, pigmented. Okay, and like I said, this retails for $24.99, so 25 bucks. That's a really good deal. I would actually purchase this palette for $25. I think it is great quality, super pigmented, easy to blend, all wins, right? And which, the next thing that's in the box, actually, I use these to apply my eyeshadow today. I also used my Morphe, what is it? I did use my Morphe 505 blush for the crease because I feel like a bigger blending brush works a lot better than this little guy, but this is a really good brush for precision. And this is the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. Like I said, precision. I did use it to get this, the purple, the color Poppy, right through here, and it worked great. It's a really great little small blending brush. The next brush in there is the mini angled brush, and it is the 131 brush, and I actually wet this and I used it to pack eyeshadow on my lid today, and it worked great for that. I know it's supposed to be a blending brush, but to me the angle that it's shaped, I don't know, I just find it better to work as a packing shadow brush. I did use it on Saturday to do my eye look, and it worked okay, but I think that the Morphe 505 brush works better than that. It's actually really good. It's a really good size to actually contour the side of your nose because it is really thin and fluffy, so it works great for that. The next one is the Luxie 141 mini round brush, and I use this to highlight my brow bones today, the inner quarter of my eyes. You can use it to smoke out the under eyes. You can use it for precision smoking out the top liner. You can use it for just putting something in the crease. This thing can actually be used for a lot of things, and I really did enjoy using that brush. And then we also have the Luxie 111. And like I said, this one works really good to smoke out the under eyes. You could use it maybe as a lip pencil. Seems like it'd work good as a lip pencil. I don't know. It's a really good brush. I liked it. Definitely be keeping it in my rotation of brushes. And this set retailed for $21, so I am really excited to have this in my collection. And yeah, let's get to the next thing. The next thing in the box was the, what is it? Jonte Bleu. I don't know if that's how you say it. I'm probably butchering it. It is what it is. This is the black glitter liner, and I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today. I don't know if you can see that it's picking up on the glitter. I think this would look really pretty, like to do a smoky eye and then smoke it out, but I do like to put it on the outer corner of my eye. I just put it like halfway. Most of the time I don't like putting a eyeliner on my full eye just because I think that it makes my eyes look more closed. I notice that when I keep it just on the outer corner, it like opens my eyes more. So that's how I enjoy putting on eyeliner. And I really do like this glitter liner. Not really something that I would pick up, which is why it's nice to have it, because I have nothing like that in my collection. And yeah, for $5, if I run out, I might repurchase. And the next thing that's in the box is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And I'm actually wearing them on my eyelashes today, which reminds me, I lost the cover. I need to find that. It flew out earlier. And yeah, I really like these lashes. They're very pretty. I mean, they're really beautiful eyelashes. They are worth $14.99, so 15 bucks. I think these lashes are pretty nice for $15. $15 isn't too high, but I still would probably buy the Adele lashes because they have lashes just as pretty. Some of them even prettier for $5, just saying. So I'd probably stick with those. I don't know if I'd repurchase these ones in particular, but they are really pretty, and I'm glad that I got them in the box. And so the total value of my box, which is variation number 3, I don't know about the rest of them, my box was $110. That is a really good deal for just $21 a month. I've said it just about every boxycharm unboxing video that I've done. That is a great deal. $110 worth of makeup for $21, and these are like really good brands, like Luxie, brands that I would purchase anyway, you know? So I think that's a really good deal. $21, you can't beat that. If you're not subscribed to BoxyCharm, what are you waiting for? I mean, you should see how big my makeup collection is because of BoxyCharm. It is amazing. I love this subscription box. Like I said, if you want to see how to get this look, just hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, and you'll be notified when I do upload it. I'm going to upload this video first, of course. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.